Hey guys, I'm Jason, your health advisor from a holistic standpoint, also your mental and physical fitness trainer, and I'm come to bring you a wonderful video for the day. My purpose for doing this video here is there's a lot of persons that start drinking the tea, then they hear about the Ganoderma lucidum or the cordyceps or the chaga, and they want to know how to use it. However, I'm doing this video for like 3 persons. I'm not gonna call their name, but those of you who was introduced to the product known as Gano, the original name is Ganoderma lucidum. In Asia, it's known as the reishi mushroom. It's a very awesome product. Also, the cordyceps is a very awesome product. I'm not going to get into details of what it is, what it does, and stuff like that, but I'm going to quickly show you how to use the shot, how to create the shot. Now, let me just sit down. Here is my little teapot, and I'm making a shot out of my tea, my filter tea. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pour about, get a little shot glass, and make like 4 ounces. I use 4 ounces of my filter tea to create my shot. And what I do now is I'm gonna set this up. This is the Gano. Okay, I get it from a company that I deal with. I'm gonna use 2 of them. Okay, and here's what you do. They comes in capsule. So what you do is you just open them up. For those of you who you could take it by mouth. For me, I had problems swallowing capsules and stuff like that, but it's the mushroom itself in powder form. You just simply open it up and empty it into the warm. You can do it with warm water. This can use with warm water, guys. But I'm using the filter tea to do it, and it gives you a thorough cleanse. It works a lot better. So I'm using 2 capsules of it. Okay. And I'm simply taking my spoon. I want you to see how it's going to look. Okay. This is how the powder is. And the reason why I warm the tea itself, you don't boil it. You just warm it, because when you're drinking any type of bush medicine or bush tea and stuff like that, you boil it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna boil out the strength of it. And if you notice it's hardened up on the spoon, that's okay. Just keep stirring it, rub it against the glass, and make sure mash it right in. Now these Ganoderma capsules, it's fully loaded with 500 milligrams, full with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory for those who have fluids inside their joints and stuff like that, or swollen in their joints. Antioxidant. It helps with a great deal of energy. And guys, this here is the cordyceps. I don't know if you heard about the cordyceps yet. Great product. But yeah, that's what I do. I just break it right up, mash it up, stir it up real good, And those of you just come on, I'm doing this video to show you guys how to make the Gano shots. The Gano chaga. And the key way to using it a lot better is fuse them together, because even though that these products is really good stand alone, when you fuse them together, they become a lot more stronger, and they help rebuild the body organs in a lot better time. If you heard about the late great Dr. Sebi's, he made a living of compound medicine, just dealing with compounding the herbs, and he get a great deal of success from his herbs. So if you're watching it, just share the broadcast, because there's a lot of people get these products, and some people just get the powder itself, and they use it. They use it in cold water, different ways. And those of you who have any type of filter tea or detox tea, you know, I using my filter tea to actually make this from. And if you notice, there's nothing settled at the bottom. That's why I use the warm water or the warm tea. And just stir it up, mash it up, stir it up. And when you drink it, because it's warm, what it does is actually loosen up everything on the inside of you, help it move around, ship it up, break it up. The same thing as in natural room temperature water or warm water. You will find people more in Europe, they drink a lot of tea in the mornings or through the day, because warm tea, it does your body a lot better than cold water. You do not want to drink cold water with a meal, after meal, cold juices, any type of cold beverages, because it's damaging your body. So once again, this is how I make my shot. And I'm going to also put one of the cordyceps inside of it, but I'm going to drink a few mouthful of just Ganoderma, right? So tastes very good. If you're using any type of blood thinner like Coumadin, what's the other one's name? It's warfarin or Coumadin, yeah. They are blood thinners that the doctors give you. You don't want to take the Gano, because the Ganoderma itself is a natural blood thinner product. So that's one thing you want to know. For me, I normally take like either 5 or 6 a day. You know, but I would tell you, you can take 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. That's really good. That's enough. What it also do is it has a little effect, because somehow, because of the antioxidants in them, it can jolt up your heart rate a bit. Okay, so it has different effect on different people. So in order to know what you can take, you know, just take them in numbers. Even though one capsule itself is supposed to have 500 milligram, guys, because this is the powder form and it also been processed, you don't get the full 500 milligram. So that's why myself, I combine a lot more than just 1 or 2. I want to feel it, so I take them like that and I drink them. So once again, I hope this video was valuable. I'm gonna do probably another video sometime next week, giving the benefits of the Ganoderma, also the chaga itself, great amazing mushrooms, the cordyceps as well, gives you energy. Those of you with arthritis, it does a lot of great awesome things. Alright guys, once again, share this video with someone else who might be using the products, or it's just going to be lingering around. It's going to be also on YouTube for those of you who find the product and just want to know how to use it. Alright, once again, I am Jason, your health advisor from a holistic standpoint, also your mental and physical fitness trainer. And that's my video for the day. Leave your comments at the bottom. Those of you who ever might have used the product once or twice or anything, you know, let me know what was your benefit or what did you get from it, you know. I like to collaborate with people who really get results, instead of who see something start to happen and stop, or see nothing happening and stop, you know. You're my friend if you follow through, feel the pressure from it, get the results, and stick with it. Alright, leave your comment at the bottom. Have a blessed day. Love you to life.